Guys, let's analyze these two assets together, Gainx 999 and Painx 999, and see how profitable it's going to be today. This will also help you to learn how to analyze the asset, any of these assets, uh, on your charts and be making profitable trades right from there. So sit tight and watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how I pick up my signals so that you too can also do the same thing. Okay. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. This particular asset started an uptrend right from here. Like I have said, this as all these assets are trend trading assets. Okay, so once you are able to get the trend right, then you will always milk the market for a very long time. Just like you have known Gainx 999, it goes down gradually and gives these sudden spikes up on uptrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, you can see it's moving gradually, and when it's going to spike, it's just go up just like that, and of course without informing you before. But if you know the right trend, you will know when it's going to spike more, the trend that is going to spike more and the trend that it's not going to spike that much. Okay, so um for Gainx 999, it's going to spike more when the market is on uptrend, and of course, well, it's going to spike from the support zone. Okay, you can see within this region is the region where it spikes more. Okay, so this is the spiky region, just the way we are seeing it right here. Okay, it is the spiky region. Okay, so it's going to spike small. It's going to spike more around this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so that is why we are seeing so many spikes around here. Okay, so you guys should take note of that. That is the reason why we are seeing so many spikes around there. You can see within, we are not really getting so many spikes around this region. So it started an uptrend at this point, at this support zone. You might be asking, how do I know that? Okay, you can see this yellow color. It's telling me, the indicator is only telling me that the market is going on uptrend. So the only signal you should follow at this point should be a buy signal. And you can see if you are coming around here, around this region, you would have milked the market for a very long time till you get to the end of the trend. That is why I always tell people, don't look for a way to catch the spike. Look for a way to trade the spike. Okay, probably I'm going to do a video on that. So if you know how to trade the spike, then you will trade it for a very long period of time. So you can see we had so many spikes around here, and when it got to the resistance zone, it was unable to break out above it. So it gave us a downtrend signal. How do I know that? You can see the red color. It is the downtrend color. Okay, so it shows that the market is going on downtrend since it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. And it gave us the sell signal. So at this point, it is the sell signals that are very, very important. Okay, you can see it has been selling. Because it is on downtrend does not mean it will not be having pullbacks in between. So all these are pullbacks, but more of a downtrend than an uptrend. So this is still selling, and of course, I expect it to get to this region first. If it breaks out from there, then definitely it should be coming to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is on 5 minute, I mean on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now let's quickly check out Painx 999 also. This is Painx 999. Just the way we are saying this color also indicates that the market is on uptrend. Okay, first of all, let me quickly explain how Painx works. Okay, Painx 999 works in the opposite direction of Gainx 999. It goes up gradually and give us this sudden spike downward. Okay, at this point. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so which means if you want to trade the spiky parts of Painx 999, it should be from the resistance zone. Okay, it should be from the resistance zone, and it should be when the market is on downtrend. It should be when the market is on downtrend. Okay, so that is it. So once you understand this, you will know when to pick up a trade and trade for a very long time. This is also on 15-minute time frame. It gave us an uptrend signal around there and a buy signal. Okay, and of course, if you should notice, this actually picked up from here and traded till it got to this resistance zone. That's amazing, guys. This is on 15-minute time frame. You can imagine you having the opportunity to trade for a very long time. It's so unique. There are pullbacks in between. You might not even be in profit immediately sometimes, but it will eventually lead you into profit and even make you lots of profit at the end of the day. Now it has gotten to the resistance zone, got there around there, was unable to break out above it, tried to go on downtrend, but went back up again to try out the resistance zone, still unable to break out from there. So it gave us a downtrend signal. So we expect this to sell more right from there. At least it should get to this region first, this particular spot. So, and of course, if it breaks out from there, then we should expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be a long trading opportunity. So if you want to trade the spiky part of Painx, this is the right time for you to trade it. Like I said, I don't teach people how to catch the spike. I teach them how to trade the spike. Okay, because that is the best way to go about it. I will come up with a video on that. But if you want more information about this trading opportunity or the trading tool I am using to do my analysis, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp or drop a message down there within the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay, you can also join my Telegram channel. The link will be there in the description box. This will help you to learn more and even pick up some free signals right from there, because I will be dropping some amazing signals in the Telegram channel today. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.